नित्या राजराज ध्यानपीठ नित्यभूरि भगवान् नीलगण्धा प्रणवमर्म परमहंस 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 नित्या राजराज ध्यानपीठ नित्यभूरि भगवान्।
नित्यानन्दकरि वराभयकरि सौन्दर्यरत्नाकरि निर्धूताखिलघोरपापनिकरि प्रत्यक्ष माहेश्वरी नित्यानन्दकरि वराभयकरि सौन्दर्यरत्नाकरि निर्धूताखिलघोरपापनिकरि प्रत्यक्ष माहेश्वरी राळेयाचलवंश पावनकरि काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलम्बनकरि माता श्री नित्येश्वरी राळेयाचलवंश पावनकरि काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलम्बनकरि माता श्री नित्येश्वरी कारणि पूरणि तारणि रञ्जनि आनन्दिनि कारणि पूरणि तारणि रञ्जनि आनन्दिनि माता श्री नित्येश्वरी कारणि पूरणि तारणि रञ्जनि आनन्दिनि कारणि पूरणि तारणि रञ्जनि आनन्दिनि माता श्री नित्येश्वरी नानारत्नविचित्रभूषणकरी हेमाम्बराडम्बरी नानारत्नविचित्रभूषणकरी हेमाम्बराडम्बरी मुक्ताहारविलम्बमानविलसत्वक्षोजकुम्भान्तरी मुक्ताहारविलम्बमानविलसत्वक्षोजकुम्भान्तरी काश्मीरा गुरुवासिता रुचिकरि काशीपुराधीश्वरी काश्मीरा गुरुवासिता रुचिकरि काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलम्बनकरि माता श्री नित्येश्वरी श्री नित्येश्वरी सर्वैश्वर्यकरी तपःफलकरी काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलम्बनकरी माता श्री नित्येश्वरी कारणि पूरणि तारणि रञ्जनि आनन्दिनि कारणि पूरणि तारणि रञ्जनि आनन्दिनि माता श्री नित्येश्वरी कारणि पूरणि तारणि रञ्जनि आनन्दिनि कारणि पूरणि तारणि रञ्जनि आनन्दिनि माता श्री नित्येश्वरी कैलासाचलकन्दरालयकरी श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी कैलासाचलकन्दरालयकरी श्री
You can all manifest now all the 25 powers. Of Turyatita, Anturyatita. Start, you will manifest just like this. Understand all the 25 states of consciousness. When they happen in you, due to your chemicals and hormones ups and downs, it is powerlessness. When it happens in you, out of your free will and consciousness, it is powerfulness. That's all. When you fall into sleep, it is powerlessness. When you enter into sleep, it is powerfulness. When you fall into dream, it is powerlessness. When you decide to dream, it is powerfulness. So I have added the ultimate powerfulness, Turyatita, in your whole being and doing. Manifest all the powers. Let's make it happen. That's all. Let's make it happen. Understand? You are here all the way from your home. I am here all the way from my home. For this to happen, your home is only few thousand miles from here. My home is few billion planes from here. So I am here, you are here for this to happen. Shaktipada, transmission of the lamp. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. So quickly, I think let them start manifesting powers, then they can go and pick up their dinner and come, and along with power manifestation, they can have their dinner. Understand, power manifestation is nothing but cognitive shift. It is not work. It is cognitive shift. Understand? It is just cognitive shift. It's not work. Work is a 4-letter word. Power manifestation is cognitive shift, playing with life, playing with being alive. Static matter, dynamic activity, strategic existence, all these three has no boundary. You are one with it. You are alive in everything. Everything listens to you. Everything decides as you want. Power manifestation is cognitive shift, raising your frequency, not work. Let's start. Blessings. Be blissful.